Hello my diamonds and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Kristen and I'd love to have you a part of the Diamond Squad. So to do that, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button right down below, and don't forget the bell icon so you're notified for when I post new videos. Today's video is going to be a haul video. I got a lot of new goodies. Last month was my birthday month, so I bought a lot of stuff and I was also gifted a lot of stuff. And if you want to see all of the cool new goodies that I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with like more lifestyle stuff. It's not just going to be a makeup haul, which I have a lot of makeup, but I have also gotten a lot of other stuff too. So I'm going to start off with that stuff first. First up is this necklace right here. It says Kristen. I got this from my husband. I've been really wanting a gold necklace like this for a really long time now, and I finally got one. It is so cute. I had one in the past, but this one I like because the chain is really nice. It's just like really good quality. But this is the box it came in. It is so cute. It pulls out like this, and it has like some, it's from Storms LA. It's on Instagram, and it has like such cute lightning bolts. The packaging is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are the earrings I got, and if anybody knows me, I'm extra. I'm just too much. I'm bougie for people. But this has my name in it, and they're hoops. And if you guys know me, I wear hoops all the time. If I'm wearing earrings, they're hoop earrings. But they just say my name. Isn't that so cute? And they're so pretty. They're very good quality. But I just love them. They are so cute. So I got those for my birthday. And my husband got me those as well. And next up is going to be these. These are the Skims shapewear. I've like really been wanting to try these out, and they've always been sold out, but I caught it at this last like weekend. They had a restock, so I got some. And I also got a different pair too. I'm not really going to show you guys them because like they're shapewear. They're pretty much like underwear. But it's supposed to help you control your tummy and all that stuff. So who doesn't want that? So I got this, and we're going on a trip. I will vlog it. It's kind of a surprise. But that's what I got these for, is I'm going to be wearing dresses and stuff and dressing up. So I want to look like slim thick, you know what I'm saying? So I got those. So I picked up these, and actually the lady, whenever I bought this, she gave me this at Ulta. She was very nice, thank you. So she gave me that, and then I got this. This is the Saint Tropez Gradual Tan. It's like the classic Gradual Tan, and it says everyday body lotion, medium dark. So pretty much like it's a lotion, but it's gonna tan you as you're putting it on, I guess. So you know how regular like tanning mousse is, you have to apply with a mitt, and it has to dry. Sometimes you like want it to dry overnight and all that stuff. This is like a no fuss kind of tanner, if that makes sense. So this tanner is going to pretty much just be like a moisturizer. I use it right after the shower. I put it on, and then I wash my hands really well, and I use like a nail scrubber brush, and I wash it with that too. And I don't have like orange hands or anything like that. It's a very pretty like warm tan, and it just gives you like a little something. So next I picked up this guy right here. So I believe you pronounce it Way, and I think it's a French brand if I'm not mistaken, but you can get it at Ulta now, and you can get it at Sephora. I got their texturizing spray, so it really helps me get like volume and stuff. I got that, and a hair oil. So I really like those two products. And then when I saw they came out with a body cream, I was like, what? This smells so good. I am like in love with this. I love this brand. Everything that they come out with smells so good, and it's so like luxe and pretty. I think I just got on my lip, but it's so just like luxe, and it feels so good, and it's just yummy. And then I got the Promise perfume by Jennifer Lopez, and this was like kind of like a promo deal at Ulta. And so yeah, if you bought one of these, you got a free mascara, so I went ahead and did that. It smells so good, very like sensual and pretty and sexy and fun and fresh. So who doesn't want to be like that? So I got that as well. I think that is all like the body lifestyle products. Now we can move into makeup. I have one more lifestyle product. I got this. It is so cute. So it's a little fan, and this like little thing comes down like this. So you can make a handle out of it. If you watched like my video 2 videos ago, you'll see this in that tutorial. And I just love it. After I use my setting spray, I use this, and it just like makes everything dry kind of a little bit faster. I don't feel so sticky or anything, or like so like dewy on my face, and I feel like it just pushes the product in a little bit more. If I go on vacation or something like that, I can also take it then. But I got it on Amazon. You can put batteries in it, or you can charge it. Okay, so let's move on to makeup. I got a few packs of these lashes. This is by LashDream.com, and this specific pair is in Classy. The ones I'm wearing right now are in Fairy Tale, and these are so pretty. I found them on Instagram, and I thought I'd just give it a try. I pretty much find all my products on Instagram, so yes. And if you want to go follow me on Instagram, you can. I will put a link down below. Links are always below, by the way, so go follow me on Instagram, leave me a comment, let's be friends. I got a lot of products from Glossier, and I've been wanting to try a lot of Glossier products lately, because I kind of go on another spurt too, where one day I'm like, I don't want to wear makeup, but I want to look presentable, and this is kind of like what the brand is like. So I got this lip gloss from them, and their brand is like really like kind of like a no makeup brand, but it looks like this and is so pretty. This one is the red tinted one, and the packaging is just cute. It's like minimalistic, but it's like really like cute, like Instagrammable makeup, I guess, if that makes sense. And then I got the boy brow, and this one I got in black, I believe. But this works so good. Again, if you want those fluffy like Instagram brows, this is gonna be your best friend. I love a good brow. And then I got the brow flick, which is pretty much like a brow pen that you kind of make your own little brow hairs with. But it just looks like this. You guys can see. And I got this one in black as well, I believe. So those are the 3 products I got from them. And then I also got the blush. This is a liquid blush. This is in the color Storm, and it is so pretty. You get a lot of product too. You don't need a lot of this, but you just pat this out with your finger or a brush or a beauty blender, kind of whatever you want to use. But the brand is very like kind of like natural and pretty, and yeah, so this is the color. When you blend it out, it's a little bit less like pigmented, and like in your face it's more like blendable and looks really pretty. But you can also put this on your lips too to give you like a little bit of a tint. So I have a couple repurchases. So this is the Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in Ebony, and this is kind of like a staple. I always need this or the Anastasia Brow Wiz, but lately I've been into the Dip Brow, so I got me a new Dip Brow because mine was kind of drying out. And then my favorite primer of like all time, this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So it's a pore minimizing primer. I feel like it's like better than the Benefit one because I have oily skin. When I put it down, it doesn't go anywhere. It like just seeps into your pores and like smooths everything out. Kind of mattifies your face, where the Benefit one, I feel like my makeup kind of like ended up building up and stuff. But with this primer, it doesn't do that, and it is so good. I repurchased this. This is probably like my 3rd one or something like that, but I love it. Some kind of like hyped up products are these 2. The e.l.f. primer. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. So this is like a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So this is like $7, and the silk canvas is like 50 something. So this is a really good dupe, and I want to see how this works. And then I did get this. This is the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I got it in the shade 1. And I'm going to see how this works. I've never really used the eyeshadow base. I've just used like concealer and then one on top of that. So I want to see how this works. Everybody like hypes it up so hard on Instagram and stuff. So we're going to see if it's worth the hype. I got a lot of stuff, or a couple things from KKW Beauty, so Kim Kardashian's beauty line. This is the concealer, and I got it in the shade 2. It is a very cute, nudie, like pretty packaging. And then I also got the lipstick in 90s Runway. It is a very pretty, like peachy nude. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. So this is like really pretty and I love the packaging. It's so like sleek and just like, it's good. And then I also got the contour stick. I've been wanting to try this out. This is in the shade 2 or medium. So I want to try to start like cream contouring more and stuff. And I thought, why not try out this one? I thought it was like a good starter. And then I got the 2 lip liners, and this one's 90s Chic and this is 90s Glam. So very pretty staple nudes that you're gonna need to kind of match any lip color that you go with. Then I got the Clinique Even Better Makeup foundation. So this is the one that evens out and corrects your skin tone while you're wearing it. So it's kind of like has skincare in it, and it also has an SPF of 15. So this is like really cool. I've been into more dewy like foundations that are like a little bit lighter on the skin, not so cakey and matte and just like caking up your face, I guess, if that makes sense. So I thought I would try that one out. Then I was gifted this by my friend for my birthday. Thank you so much. This is the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Tiramisu. And actually, this is like an OG of mine. Like, I've been using this for a very, very long time, and I just never repurchased it. So thank you. I forgot that I even needed that. So thank you so much. So moving on, I got these 2 brushes from Sony. That's a brand that is at Target, and I actually really like her stuff. I got a couple beauty sponges from her before, a bronzer and a highlighter, and I really, really liked it. And so I want to try out these brushes, plus they were on sale. So I got a like dome shader brush, and then I got this brush here, which is like tapered. It feels very soft. Might use it as like a contour or something like that. But for me, I can never have enough brushes. I just love buying brushes and stuff. So I was like, that's a pretty good deal. And it's on sale, so I'm gonna go ahead and snag it up. Another repurchase was this Morphe setting spray. It's the continuous setting spray, and it is really, really good. I used other setting sprays and I just really, really like this one. And then the last 3 products are actually Morphe or Jaclyn Hill products. So this is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics loose highlighter, and this is in the color Extra. So it's a very like cool toned silvery highlight. It's actually the one I'm wearing right now. That's what it looks like. It's like a frosted glass. The packaging is to die for. This packaging is so, so pretty. There we go. But that's what it looks like right there. Then I also got the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter brush. So it's a natural bristled brush. This reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills like highlighting brush. So it's kind of similar to that, but this one is natural haired. I believe that one is synthetic. But this looks very cute and promising. And again, I love buying brushes. So yeah, and I've been using the same highlighter brush for like ever, so I feel like that one will be really good. And then last but not least, the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. And this is like her collaboration with Morphe. She looks so gorgeous on the back. Wowza. But I got this bad boy too, and I love how they package it in this like bubble wrap. Especially if like you're getting it shipped and you're not buying it in store, because you don't want anything to be broken. But the packaging is just so, so pretty. You have just some really, really gorgeous colors. You have some orange tones. You have a pop of yellow. You have purples. You have like your deep like plummy reds and purples. And then up here you have like a lot of neutrals. So this palette is going to be used by me so much. I can already tell it's probably going to be like an everyday palette for mine, because these colors are just so pretty in it. But that is what I got for this haul. I think I showed you guys everything. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to join the Diamond Squad, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button right down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Keep shining, diamonds.